It's a doily I made a while back. I'm just gonna make a chain before putting the stitch marker. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna spread this out. It's too wide, you can't see everything, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna count the stitches. I'm gonna count the stitches, and hold on, let me get my notebook. I actually, this is another pattern worked out of the very first doily that I made. So that one for my husband's table. So round, each round increases by 18 stitches. So right now I have 18. I have 18 stitches. So in this next round, I have to make the stitches. I have to make the stitches 19. So at the end of this next round, which is going to be round 26, I'm going to have increased each of the stitches by 1 in 18 places. So altogether it's going to be now be 18. I hope I'm not confusing myself and confusing you right here. It's not really, this is not a tutorial, but I'm just showing you what I'm going to do for the edging for this. So right now I'm going to slip stitch into this second stitch here, which is the first DC. This is a chain 3. So now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to skip all these. You need 19 stitches. This is 10 for this. So this is 10. So now, since I have not written down this part, I have to like, okay. So this is 10. I need another 8. No, I need 19 stitches. So first of all, I'm going to put a slip stitch here, and then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do we have here? We have 10. Now we have 1, 2, 3. That's 13. So now I'm going to chain 13. Let's see, 14, 15, 16. That's 3 chains. And in this one, I'm going to make 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, have I confused myself? This is 10. No. So it may look confusing to some people, but this is how we do our work. I'm sure crocheters and knitters understand. As you're working, you're making modifications and all. Since I didn't write this part down, so I'm just trying to show you how I do my work sometimes. Yeah, so now let's see. This is 10. We have 10, chain 4, which is double crochet the first 3 chains, 1 chain, and then double crochet. That's 13. So now we need 6 more stitches to make it 19. Okay, so here we need 6 more stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then we need another. Okay, double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. I think it's okay. So we have 10. This is 10 chains, 10 chain plus 1 double crochet, 10 chains plus this, 4 chains. The first 3 chains represent 1 double crochet. So 10, 11, 12, this double crochet, 13, these 3 chains, 13 plus 3, that's 16, this double crochet making 14. Wait a minute. Wait, did I say we needed? Okay, wait a minute. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, we've got our pattern right there. So now we're going to repeat it. We're going to repeat it. And for this, we're going to repeat it. Let's see if it will work. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what we're going to do, now where did you come from? Okay. Okay. So now, what am I going to do here? Okay, so I'm going to skip this and see how it goes. Remember, we slip stitch here. Okay, where did this one come from? No, 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 no. Okay, you know what I'm going to do here? I'm not writing this down yet, but I'll write it. So this is 9, since I just lose 9. 10. So, okay. What are you doing here? Okay, let's see. This is 3. That's 3. Remember? We have 3 there. I'm going to slip stitch here. I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. And then in this middle one, we're going to put another slip stitch. So now, let's see what we've got. We've got 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, we're going to start again, the repeat. Let's see if we remember what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, we slip stitch in between this chain 3, and then, if I remember correctly, we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I made a double crochet back in there. And then remember, we slip stitch here. Oh, we chain 3. Chain 3, and we now slip stitch here. We slip stitch here, and if I remember correctly, we slip stitch here, and then we now chain 3 again. Remember, we chain 3 again. We now chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then in this place, we now went into the middle, this double crochet here, and then we did another slip stitch. Okay, let me just quickly chain 1 and then put my stitch marker. Let's go over what we did to make sure there are no errors. Okay, 10 stitches, 10 chains rather, 10 chains, 10 at the 4 chains, 3 chains here represent a double crochet, then a chain 1, then a double crochet, that's a V-stitch. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Correct. And then we slip stitch again, 10 chains, 4 chains representing 4 chains here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So we have 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, slip stitch, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, then slip stitch. And so that's our repeat. I'm just going to continue and let me make one more, and then I'll continue off camera. So I already chained one before, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I went over here and I made a slip stitch, and then I chained 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So now I'm gonna make a double crochet in here, and then I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, and then another chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then a slip stitch and this double crochet here. Okay, so now there we have it. So I'll just quickly write down what I did, and I'll be back when I've finished going over the entire rounds. And here we are, all done. Woven at the ends. The next thing is blocking it.